Positive progress was also made in the Kurdistan region of Iraq. After 2 years of protracted negotiations and delays, parliamentary elections took place in the Kurdistan region of Iraq, thus re-establishing the legitimacy of the region's institutions. On 20th October, I witnessed firsthand in Arbil and Dahuk well-organized and smooth voting operations in some of the more than 7,000 polling stations. With more than 2 million people casting their votes, voters' turnout reached 72%, an increase of 12% over the previous elections. UNAMI electoral assistance has been widely recognized by regional and federal authorities, including the Independent High Electoral Commission, a support which was instrumental in instilling trust and strengthening Iraq's technical capacities for election, something the United Nations should be very proud of. I take this opportunity to congratulate Iraq, the United Nations, and the UNAMI electoral staff for their dedicated efforts. Important to note also that out of the 100 parliamentary seats, women managed to secure 31 seats, which is more than the minimum quota of 30%. As negotiations among political parties for the formation of the new regional government in Kurdistan are underway, political parties have a responsibility to enable women's access to political positions and a seat at the table for them.